जय श्रीमन्नारायण 174th नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम्। ओम महाबलाय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are stronger than strongest in this entire creation. Oh Srimannarayana, I realize that you have immeasurable supreme strength. Oh Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. ओम महाबलाय नमः। ओम महाबलाय नमः। While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण। From Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sumitra Devi teaching very good words to her son Lakshmana Swami, saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, be alert in serving Sita and Rama. Do never think about us. Do never let your father, do never let me, do never let this kingdom come into your thoughts. The moment you think about us, you would not be able to pay attention in service of Sita and Rama. Oh Lakshmana, that is why from now onwards you start thinking like this: Ramam Dasaratham Vidhi, Mam Vidhi Janakatmajam, Ayodhyam Atavim Vidhi, Gachatata Yadha Sukham. Oh Lakshmana, from now onwards, Rama is your father, Sita is your mother, the forest is your kingdom Ayodhya. Having all those things run in your thoughts like that, keep always alert in serving of Rama and Sita, in service of Rama and Sita. Oh Lakshmana, now you all can go like that Sumitra Devi, when giving her permission to Lakshmana, Sumantra came and told Rama, saying that, "Oh Rama, Rajaputra, the chariot is ready. Radhamaroha bhadrante Rajaputra Mahayasaha." Oh Rama, the chariot is ready. You all please get into chariot. When Sumantra said like that, Sitamma got into chariot, and Rama Lakshmana also got into the Radham. Sitamma got all her things which were given by her father-in-law Dasharatha Maharaju, all the cloths, all the ornaments. She kept everything along with her in the Radham. Rama and Lakshmana, they also kept all of their weapons along with them in chariot. Also along with that, Rama and Lakshmana taking one small basket also. Babhuva nagare murcha balamurcha janasyacha. Now the slowly Sumantra is driving the chariot. The entire kingdom Ayodhya, which was decorated for Sri Rama Pattabhishekam, is now looking like entire Ayodhya is got fainted. All the horses are making big roaring sounds because not being able to bear the separation from Rama. All the elephants also moving like anything and also making big roaring sounds, not being able to bear the separation from Rama. The chariot is now being driven by Sumantra. While the chariot is going, all the people, all of their eyes are filled up with tears. All the people, children, young people, elderly people, old people, everybody started crying and running along with that chariot on both sides, and some of them are even hanging to that Radham, saying that, "Ho Sumantra, let this chariot go very slowly because Mukham Drakshyama Ramasya." We would like to see one more time Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine face. We do not know again after how many days, how many months, how many years we are going to be getting this Rama Darshanam. Please drive chariot slowly. We would like to see Rama. Like that, all the people are crying and shouting, and also they are saying some words to Kausalya Devi, saying that, "Oh Kausalya Mata, how strong your heart is. Even while sending your own beloved, most righteous son, most favorite son Rama to the forest, even while giving up that son also, your heart is not breaking into pieces and pieces. You are so strong." Like that, sarcastically, people are saying words to Kausalya Mata and crying a lot. What is going to happen next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He Raja Rama, He Raja Rama, He Sita Rama, He Sita Rama. 18th sloka. Vedyo Vaidyaha Sada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhuhu Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Mahabalaya Namaha. Om Mahabalaya Namaha. Om Mahabalaya Namaha.